Hey guys, for the sake of my hair, I decided to try a Hairmax product and let us unbox it. This is their kind of laser comb thing to make the blood circulate up here better. So let us unbox this if I can ever get this open, and we will have some fun with this. Thank you from your purchase. Amazon reminds you to give a feedback. I bought this off Amazon. So, here it is. The LaserComb Ultra 9 Hair Growth Laser Light Device. Alright. Oh, shit. Okay. Alright. So we have here, look at that. And now, look at that guy looking having so much fun using it. Rejuvenate. It's FDA cleared Class 2 medical device to treat hair loss and promote hair growth in men and women. Oh, so it's men and women. It's FDA cleared. Very interesting. This package includes, we got a light, we got a stand, we got a charger, we got a power cord, a user manual, and a quick start guide. 11 minutes 3 times per week. A revolutionary treatment for hair loss and hair growth. By the way, it's not clinically tested for Middle Eastern skin types or really dark skin. Very interesting. We have to charge it for 2 to 3 hours. Fuck. So this is the power cord. This is the power cord. Bam. Look right here. And of course, inside, very interesting that I just broke it. It doesn't matter. That's what happens when you put it in too tight. That's what she said. And then we will this is the plug. So we got this. This is the charger / stand. And now you plug it in, right? So we're gonna have to, remember, use slowly. It's another warning. For best results, use slowly, right? Charge your Hairmax before using. So I'm gonna charge this for about 2 hours. Oh my god! And very interesting, guys. Look at this. It actually, you can charge it through here too. So you could directly charge it or use the stand. Very cool. See, option 1, you can charge the LaserComb. Or option 2, you can charge it by placing the power directly. So you can put this cord right here directly into here. So you don't have to do it this way. But I assume this way is maybe faster. So let us go charge this. Plug this in and charge it. And we'll come back and test it. So the first thing I have to do is I have to test for sensitivity. Make sure this doesn't destroy my head or something like that. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to turn the device on, shine the light on your forearm. So first of all, there's 2 buttons. Let's make sure I know which one I'm turning on. So let's see. Proper use right here. So you use this. Hold the power button until it turns on. Second, press the laser button. The laser's ready for use. So I've turned this on. Oh my god. We're shining the laser on my arm. Can you guys see this? So we're gonna shine the laser on my arm, and we're gonna shine it on my arm for how long? 2 minutes? Fuck. It's 2 minutes. Okay. How do you turn it off? Okay. So I just turned it off. It's 2 minutes. So what I'm supposed to do now is supposed to wait 5 minutes, and then I will check to see if there's any weird things going on here. So let's wait 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, nothing wrong with my head. So I think it's time. It's time to do this. So, all right. So you start at your hairline, and then you move a little, and you don't lift the brush. That's what I learned. I was just sending that to someone in China. I think they'd appreciate it. But yeah, that was it. Feels good. Feels good, man. My hair feels, you know, it's placebo, right? But my hair feels a little bit of love. Feels very good, man. Let's keep using this, and every month, let's follow up with the results, man. Oh my God, imagine if this widow's peak disappeared. My God, lovely. All right, guys, to be continued. This was Hairmax, and this was one of their combs. I forgot what the comb is called. This is bad. Oh, Hairmax Ultima 9. Hairmax Ultima 9. Thank you for watching this unboxing review. Talk to you next time.